This is my 2011 Mercedes-Benz C250 CDI. Today I want to change my tires. I want to change from 18-inch low profiles to a little bit higher profile 17-inch. I'm going to travel cross country soon, and this country's got a lot of potholes, so the higher profile works better with the potholes. I hope you guys enjoy my video clip. I would like to just also give a thank you for my sponsors, Visa Expert. If you guys need any travel visas related help, they assist you. We will assist you with all your travel visas. You can find them on the links below. Email works best if you've got any queries. info@visaexpert.co.za, or check out our website visaexpert.co.za. In this video, I'm going to show the people how to change a tire. Yes, funny enough, there are people that don't know how to change a tire. Hope this is educational to those. The rest, please stay tuned. I've got some more clips to show you. So I'm preparing the car for a trip to Pietermaritzburg. It's a little town in KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. It's about 1,700 kilometers from where I am. When I get there, there's a couple of cars at that house which we are going to restore, fix, or get rid of. This is like a little side project. So at this house, there's a specific car. It's a 1938 Jag SS 3.5 convertible, which has the need to be restored. It's been a dream of my dad to drive this car my entire life, so I would have to make it a goal to finish this project sooner than later. I torqued the wheels, everything is tight, all four of the wheels are changed, and this is what it looks like with 17-inch high profile wheels. And we're back. So down in the garage, we've got Lancia Fulvia. See, it's missing trim here. There's a bit of paint missing. Standard obvious. Two-door, full of dust and storage. Inside, you've got backlit seat. Interior doesn't look too bad. Again, some storage. We've got the dashboard. That bottom panel is lying here somewhere.
And the indicator stalk is also lying here somewhere. It's got you can see the aluminium body. I don't know, maybe I'm lying. Comment below. Missing a grill. It's got the Zagato bumpers, just the half bumpers. There's supposed to be spotlights there. I can't open the bonnet because this cupboard is in the way, but it's got no engine.
And this is what it used to look like. It's the only picture I found of it. This is what that 1938 Jag SS 3.5 looks like. I'm not sure whether the black is better or the white is better. The white looks a little bit more posh than the black. The black looks a very gangster. We like gangster, but both looks better than the green.
Some stuff in the boot, so when I take corners it's gonna make some noise. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's just tools running around. Police stopping. Is he turning around? Oh dear, he's turning around. I better get out of here quicker. Close this window. Let's go up here.
Also in that collection is a 1944 Jag Mark IV. Please guys, let me know which is better, black or white, or if you think any other color, let me know. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, smash that like button, and we will see you soon.
Third gear seems to be good enough for these corners.